There is another dimension of residual second PRC, that is 30% sub. One narrative was set. क्या था? Till 2017, 5%. Thank you, sir. But if I ask him honestly, sir, can you tell whose efforts were this? Whether it was effort of that time majority association or whether it was effort of that time support association. It was only and only AGT which managed it. And definitely, blessings of our seniors were there. No doubt. That I would say. On the second time, when 2% was increased, at that time, our BSNL EU, NFT, BTU, all of them supported us like anything. The department was in a transition phase from 16 to 19. From 20 to 23. Now that BSNL is moving in a steady pace, financial objectives are being achieved. So it's high time, and we emphasized upon the management also, and in last agenda meeting, Director HR assured that he will be processing for 2% increase in superannuation benefit. However, still they have not started the work. First they have to form a committee, then they have to get it recommended, but we are pursuing. It's all time constraint, and if we are